Take a break. Set yourself in a comfortable position so that you can stay effortlessly. Set your gaze to a fixed point not too far, without focusing strongly, a relaxed and neutral fixed gaze. Slowly move your head around your eyes, so that the relaxed gaze is still natural and to the same point. Take it easy and breathe. Move as fast or as slow as it allows you to maintain the gaze. Let your jaw relax and drop while you move. How can it be easier? How can it be softer? And then pause and notice, how do you feel now?